Hello everyone, welcome to English with Chanroth. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about my daily routines, and I'm going to teach you some phrasal verbs. Well, what a typical day in your life like? Please write your answer in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to your friends on social media. Let's get started. Let me tell you about my typical day. Well, I wake up at 6 a.m. So wake up is a phrasal verb. I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. I work out every morning. So workout is a phrasal verb. Workout means exercise. So I exercise every morning, or I work out every morning. Before exercising, I usually like to warm up by doing some stretch. So warm up is a phrasal verb. Do you know warm up? So warm up means prepare. Then I take a shower, and after that I have breakfast. Next, I write down my to-do list for the day. So write down is a phrasal verb. I always plan my day ahead. So plan ahead is a phrasal verb. Do you know plan ahead? So plan ahead means plan in advance. I have a strict schedule and I do my best to stick to it. So stick to is a phrasal verb. Means follow without changing anything. Then I check the weather because I like to be prepared for the day and pick out the right outfit. So pick out is a phrasal verb. So pick out means choose. Before I leave, I usually say goodbye to my parents, and my classes usually start at 7:30. Okay, now how many meals do you have a day? For me, I have 5 or 6 light meals a day. I've noticed that 3 heavy meals a day generally weigh me down. Weigh me down is a phrasal verb. Means make me feel heavy and tired. So I try to eat less and often. I have more energy this way and I can concentrate much better. Whenever possible, I try to squeeze in 15 to 30 minutes of exercise in the afternoon. So squeeze in is a phrasal verb. Do you know squeeze in? So squeeze in means find time for. Exercising helps me calm down when I'm stressed, and it doesn't take up too much of my time. So calm down is a phrasal verb, and take up to is also a phrasal verb. When do I get home? Well, it depends on the day. So depends on is a phrasal verb. But typically, I get home at around 6 p.m. I have dinner a little later. Then I lie down for a few minutes. So lie down is a phrasal verb. And scroll down social media on my phone. So scroll down is a phrasal verb. Do you know scroll down? So scroll down means move down the screen. Next, I study for a few hours. Then I watch TV. I try to stay away from negative news. So stay away is a phrasal verb, means to avoid. To avoid. I usually go for comedies. So go for is a phrasal verb, means like or prefer. Before going to bed, I fill in my journal and reflect on the day. So fill in is a phrasal verb, and reflect on is also a phrasal verb. So reflect on means think about. My journal helps me with my emotions and thoughts. And it's also helped me to set goals. I plan on taking a Chinese course this year. So plan on is a phrasal verb. That's my new goal. I love to learn and try out new things all the time. So try out is a phrasal verb. Do you know try out? So try out means experiment with. I just want to point out that a journal is really helpful. So point out is a phrasal verb, means indicate. I have many goals that I would like to achieve. I want to sign for a gym membership, but I just keep putting it off. So sign for is a phrasal verb, means join. And putting it off is a phrasal verb, means delay. I never actually get around to ever doing it. So get around to is a phrasal verb. Do you know get around to? So get around to means manage to. I plan on keeping a diet and cutting down on sweets. So plan on is a phrasal verb, and cut down is also a phrasal verb, means reuse, but I never make it. I need something sweet every day to help me get through busy days. So get through is a phrasal verb, means get through means manage to live through. To sum it all up, I think I'm a mess. So sum up. Sum up is a phrasal verb. Do you know sum up? So sum up means summarize. Just stick to your goals and don't give up. So stick to is a phrasal verb, means keep following. And give up is a phrasal verb, means stop trying. And your effort will finally pay off. So pay off is a phrasal verb, means be successful. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video to all English learners. Have a great day!